Variables in C++. Variable is an identifier which holds data or another one variable whose value can be changed at the time of execution. Variable is an identifier which can be used to identify which type of input data inside the program. With the help of example, we can see this. Let's take the example. In this example, data type is integer, age is a variable name, and 20 is a value. 20 value is stored inside age variable, which is of type integer. Means integer requires 2 bytes of memory location, and that memory location is stored inside RAM. RAM is nothing but a random access memory, which is also known as volatile memory. Let's discuss about constant in C++. Constants in C++. It is an identifier whose value cannot be changed at the execution time of a program. In general, constant can be used to represent as a fixed value in C++ program where value cannot be changed, whereas variable that can be value is changed in any point of time. Constant in C++. First we will see the definition. It is an identifier whose value cannot be changed at the time of execution. Constant having two types, a numeric constant and character constant. Numeric constant again divided into two parts, integer constant and float constant. Example is of integer constant is 20, 0 or minus 40, and float constant is 2.20, 0.0 or minus 4.40. Character constant divided into two parts, string character constant and single character constant. String character constant example is hi, how or Ajay. String is represented as double quotes, whereas single character example is h@3. It is represented as with the help of single quote. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment.